Hello everyone, myself Pratiksha. Recently I have joined Salesforce Admin and Developer course at CRS Info Solutions, and today I am here to share my experience with you all. For all those people who wish to learn Salesforce, I guess CRS Info Solution is the best place for you all because the team and the trainer here are very supportive. The trainer is very knowledgeable and helps you with mock interviews, training, and make you ready for the company environment. So I would like to request you all to join CRS Info Solutions. Not just that, the trainer and the team helps you and motivates you to build your career in Salesforce. So not just for people with IT background, but people with non-IT background can also learn Salesforce from scratch because the trainers here help you, guide you, and make you ready for the marketplace. So please do join CRS Info Solutions. Thank you.